Welcome to Booster Shots. Summer isn't just about heat waves. It's about choosing foods that help our body regulate temperature and stay refreshed. Let's dive into the best ways to eat smart this season. When temperatures rise, so does our body's need for water. But hydration isn't just about drinking water. Watermelon, cucumbers, tomatoes, coconut water, and oranges are high in water content. Keep us hydrated, flush out toxins, and prevent dehydration related fatigue. In summer, our digestive system also slows down to cope up with the heat. So we need food that not only keep us full but also cool us from the inside. Mint, curd, yogurt, and buttermilk not only have natural cooling properties but also aid in digestion and improves our gut health. Lighter meals help digestion and prevent bloating. So let us keep the meals simple and refreshing with fresh seasonal produce. Vegetables like cucumbers, zucchini, bottle gourd, tomatoes are easy to digest, rich in fiber, and help in regulating our body temperature. Likewise, seasonal fruits such as mangoes, muskmelon, papaya, lychee are packed with vitamins, minerals, and hydration. They boost immunity and keeps our skin glowing. Nutrients play a big role in beating the summer blues. Bananas, citrus fruits, seeds including pumpkin, chia, and flax replenish lost minerals due to sweating, maintain our energy levels, and prevent muscle cramps. Berries, green tea, tomatoes, bell peppers are antioxidant rich foods that protects us against sun damage, reduces inflammation, and strengthen our immune system. Some herbs and spices possess cooling properties. Mint, coriander, fennel seeds, and cumin, when used in drinks or meals, aids digestion and soothe the body during extreme heat. Indulgence is fine, but too much sugar or fried food can leave feeling more exhausted. Fried foods can slow down our digestion, sugary treats can lead to dehydration, and excessive caffeine disturbs our sleep and hydration. This summer, whip up natural refreshers at home. Simple Nimbu Pani, a lemon mint cooler, aam panna, raw mango drink, fruit smoothies are refreshing, natural, and packed with vitamins. The perfect alternatives to sugary sodas. Simple diet choices can shield us from heat exhaustion and dehydration this summer. So let us eat water rich foods, go light on our meals, balance electrolytes, and sip wisely. Stay cool and stay smart. If you like this summer survival tip, then share it with your family and friends and subscribe to Booster Shots for more of such health science made simple.